just getting in the rhythm. And
By far, the hardest thing about posting content is posting content. I am now 2 months post my last video, and I need to get something posted quick. Because everyone knows, and according to all the YouTube gurus, you gotta post once a week, sometimes even 2, 3, 4 times a week. And to be honest, I see girls post every day. And here I am doing the exact opposite. So what's my excuse? Yep, you know what my excuse is. Life. The reality is I got less than 6 months to plan this wedding, and I'm low-key freaking out. I mean, we've been traveling back and forth between New York and Florida trying to get this wedding planned with a 2-year-old, with jobs, while simultaneously managing an unexpected move. Hence the reason I'm recording a video of me setting up new furniture and using it as content. But here we are, and I'm glad I'm here. This is something I always do, to be honest. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and specifically the how to be a YouTuber videos. I've been on this journey for like years, guys. Like years. Okay? This has not been a viral thing for me. This is like years of trying to be consistent, years of doing content before it was called content. It's a lot, and I've watched so many like YouTuber videos or how-to YouTube videos from so many different channels, and I love them. But it's just like sometimes it's just like sometimes it's just the hard road. Sometimes it's just going up the mountain. You know what I'm saying? There's no way around it. Sometimes you just gotta put in the work, and y'all, I don't know. I'm putting in the work, but I'm gonna stop. You know what? Honestly, guys, I'm not gonna like. So that's what it is. It's a lot of like YouTube help, a lot of shooting content and having trouble shooting content, and then of course mommyhood. Say hey, Naomi. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Okay, she don't want to talk to y'all. But let me finish this sofa. But let me finish this sofa so that way I can get off you guys' screen and y'all can be done with me and I can be done with this. But let's keep it a buck. The algorithm is high maintenance. She is picky. She is a tough lay. She is definitely a third dater. She is the it girl that we all want to be friends with. And trying to catch the algorithm is tough. It's really, really tough. I mean, it feels like unless you're exactly what it's looking for, unless you're absolutely perfect, she's just not going to vibe with you. My foundation does not match, and that's my fault because I haven't been to Sephora in like months, and I ran out of makeup, and this is all I have left. Elf, and look, guys, this is what it is. Like, come on, like, what am I doing? What am I doing? It's even tougher when you don't know what your niche is or no one cares about your niche. My niche has evolved throughout this 4-year process. I've gone from wine to motherhood to lifestyle, back to wine, then motherhood, then lifestyle. And now I'm on this journey of trying to combine all three into this weird combination. Sometimes I feel like if I haven't made it by now, then I'm never going to make it. Because let's be honest, long form content is about community. And a lot of creators have already built that community. Sometimes I feel like people only want to watch the beauty or lifestyle, or they only want to watch people that they already know.
Okay, that looks better. That looks better.
Sometimes I feel like the algorithm just doesn't like me. In my head, she went from Beyonce to Regina George, both iconic, by the way. But sometimes I feel like it makes it hard for new creators with new ideas, such as a young budding sommelier that likes to talk about wine and is kind of hot. But the real truth is, if I'm going to be honest with myself about this whole process, it's been tough for me to juggle wanting to do content and being scared as hell to do content. Because what if no one watches? What if you put all this work in and your video gets 60 views? And yes, it happens to me a lot. What if you do all the editing, all the transitions, all the text, all this, all that, and it just sits there? What if people judge you? A big fear of mine is people just knowing too much about my life. I mean, I'm like Whoopi Goldberg. I don't like people in my business. It's just something that's not natural for me. But in this line of work, it's required. And the biggest fear, what if me and my content just isn't good enough? But the reality is, I'm the only person holding me back. And I decided I'm not going to hold myself back anymore. I'm going to try my best. I'm going to continue this process, try and be as consistent as possible while making the best content that I possibly can. And hopefully it works out.